is your profile, Liana May, and ang dami na nagawa sa kapuso na ito.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
Wow, I still remember nung ako yung nag-host nung launch nila Spark. Now let's see how her career has been so far. Scan that code.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
He is such an accomplished singer already at her age.
And now actress as well. But I'm sure many more things are to be unfolded in Gaya's career. So, congrats.
Kayo naman, you've been here quite a while now. Ano naman yung mensahe nyo sa mga fans ninyo na patuloy sumusuporta at syempre yung sa Sparkle family na patuloy kayong pinagkakatiwalaan?
Hello po. Una gusto ko magpasalamat sa Sparkle JV Artist Center, sa management po, Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, Miss Annette, sa TMD po, and syempre po sa handler ko. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity.
Kaya?
Alright. First of all, I'd like to say thank you po sa Sparkle JV Artist Center so much. Maraming salamat po for all of the opportunities that you have given us. And I promise po I will continue to pour my heart out into everything that I do. Thank you so much. Thank you because of all of you, you made this a home for me. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Gaya.
And Sia to come up on stage.
If you're scared, it's okay. love to make it
Naka-Ilong
official.
art. Okay.
Ayan.
Welcome to Sparkle.
Our most promising P-pop boy group. So much more to unfold in their careers with Sparkle. So I think we have a question for
I have a
them.
question. Kahit sino pwedeng sumagot. What can we expect from Sparkle's newest P-pop boy group?
Of course, you can expect more events, more music, and more performances from us. We'll make sure that we give Sparkle and the people what they want and the very best we can give. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much. And we definitely look forward to that. So you guys can of course try to pose and take your photo. We have our photographers over there. This is Cloud 7, everybody. Siguro Martin, kung may P-pop. Kung may P-pop boy group ba, ng mga ka-age mo sila, sasali ka ba sa mga?
Hindi.
Hindi. Host talaga.
Diretso lang.
Host talaga.
Baka masira yung grupo pag sumali ako. No, but these are talented individuals and you gotta be that talented for you to join a
Yes.
group like this, di ba?
That is so true. Thank you once
Thank you,
again,
Cloud
Cloud 7. Talagang you gave us a performance pa, hindi lang contract.